Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Ryan, and today we are going to be talking about some severe weather we have going on, incoming severe weather, and yes, tropical weather in the middle of May. Uh, um, Producer, are you sure this is right? All right. Um, we'll begin off with our SPC's Day 1 convective outlook. We have an enhanced risk here, which is 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. This is going to be for portions of Kansas, Missouri, and this threat here is going to be mainly wind and hail there, with a smaller tornado risk there at 5%. If you're in the enhanced risk, please stay weather aware. Now, in the slight risk, if you're also in the slight risk, you guys could see some hail, some damaging winds there. So do stay weather aware. Now, if you're in that darker green there, you guys are going to see some maybe tiny hail around the size of a pea there. Some stronger wind gusts around 40 miles an hour you guys could see there. So just kind of keep a close eye on the weather there. And then if you're in that lighter green, you guys have a risk there for some general thunderstorms and showers. As we go into our day 2 convective outlook here, you can see we just have marginal risk. If you're in those marginal risks, again, hail, wind, you guys could see that. Just stay weather aware. And then in that green risk or light green risk, you guys could see some general thunderstorms and showers. Now as we go into day 3, we're looking at a slight risk here for portions of extreme northern United States there. Again, this is going to be more of a hail and wind threat, but we do have a higher potential than we had for the past couple of weeks of tornadoes. Now, as we go into day 4, things start to get very interesting. We have a slight risk for portions through Chicago, the Great Lakes, all the way down through the DFW area. Here we do have a tornado risk that we're monitoring very closely. We also do have that definite hail and wind risk. We will now go into taking a look at our models and discussing the future weather. All right, guys, let's get this hurricane and May thing out of the way here. What? All right. So yeah. So as we go through like the next couple of weeks, things kind of stay normal. So we'll skip ahead. It's just normal things. So you can see where we're kind of going to be watching here is going to be down over here by Florida and Louisiana. So keep an eye down there. All right. So like nothing too out of the ordinary there down by Florida. Nothing too out of the ordinary. You can see something might be popping out of the corner there. Very suspicious. Whoa, what's that? Hold on. What is this? What is this? It is the middle of May. No. What? No. Absolutely not. Uh-oh. I think that might be something along the lines of a tropical storm or a hurricane there. In the middle of May. Uh-oh. Yeah. If this does come to reality here, this will be the earliest hurricane in U.S. history. And yep. Oh, what? Oh my gosh. Sorry, I can't say hurricane. I wasn't thinking I'd need to say it this early. Jeez. It's the literally middle of May. So it's looking like it'll hit parts of the Florida Panhandle and Alabama there. And then it'll probably move into the Louisiana. And then it looks like it's going to ride the coastline there. But yeah, that's as far as this model goes. We'll keep you up to date on this hurricane. Producer, are you sure this is right? Hurricane, middle of May? Yes? Okay. All right. Yeah. This is happening. All right. So as we get more information on this, excuse me. Also, excuse me. We will get more information out to you guys about this. Right now, because it's still far out, don't get too worried here yet. And we should know more here in the next couple of days here. All right, now that we've got hurricane thing out of the way. Wait, hold on one second. Let me just check one more thing. One more time. Producer, are you sure there's a hurricane? 100%. 100% potential hurricane. That's on the script. That paper's right. All right, I guess it's right. Now we'll go back into some severe weather here and take a look at our cape. Alrighty, guys. Now we are going to take a look here at our storm food, aka cape. We're gonna call it storm food from here on out. It sounds better because it's pretty much storm food there. So with that enhanced risk that we do have today, up here in portions of Kansas and Missouri, you can see we do have some pretty high cape levels there. But as we go through today, you can see those cape levels do rise where that enhanced risk is, which could bring the potential for more severe weather there, which is larger hail and stronger winds, as we're not looking at too much of a tornado threat. But as we go as we go into Wednesday, things start to quiet down here. Things ramp back up here in Oklahoma, but I don't think all the things don't add up necessarily to see a big severe weather event there. Now, as we do go through Wednesday into Thursday, you can see where we have that weather risk there. Uh, we could see some severe weather there. But as we go into Friday, this is when we have that more generalized severe thunderstorm risk. You can see we have very high cape levels, which is very concerning for this weather event that we could be seeing here. Now, as that kind of quiets down, as we go into Saturday, and you can see we could have kind of another thing, something after these storms kind of slow down here. We could see something right here as they reinitiate, or when those storms come to a standstill right after Friday. But as we go through Sunday, things start to quiet down, and that's where we'll end that for the stop the discussion today. But we will now take a look at our 500 millibar wind shear. Alrighty, guys, we are now going to take a look at our 500 millibar wind shear here. You can see we have this high pressure system here, with this low pressure system that has been bringing that severe weather to places of northern and northeastern parts of the United States. As we go through today, you can see that high pressure system starts to move out of the United States there. As we go into early Wednesday, you can see we start to get this this kind of stream coming in over there from the western parts of the United States. But as that comes through Thursday into Friday, as we go into Friday here, you can see where we do have that severe weather risk. We've got this trough here for that severe weather with that high pressure system here. So we could definitely see that severe weather risk there along that line. As that things like that go into play there. As we go to Saturday, that low pressure system continues to move on through, which we could again see a severe weather risk there. And as we go to Sunday, this low pressure system begins to slowly move out into eastern portions of the United States. Now we will take a look here at our instantaneous flash rate. Alrighty, guys, just kidding. We're not going to be taking a look at the instantaneous flash rate today. I read the script wrong. I got thrown off with that whole hurricane thing. But yeah, we'll take a look here now at our HRRR, reflectivity here. As we go through today, you can kind of see we've got those storms over there where that risk for severe weather poses there. You can see that moves into Missouri there. Things start to quiet down. You can see we've got some general thunderstorms and showers scattered around the United States there. As we go through Tuesday, oh wait, this is Wednesday. Sorry, now we're here. this is where we need to be. As we go into Wednesday, you can see we have these storms that fire up over here. Again, where that severe weather risk could pose there. Uh, and it becomes more of a not going to see much of a tornado risk once it gets to this stage on Wednesday. As we go through Wednesday, you can see that kind of goes into a linear storm mode there. So we're not going to see too much of a tornado risk there. As we continue to go through Wednesday, early Thursday, you can see we've got some thunderstorms moving into Kansas and Panhandle of Texas and Panhandle of Oklahoma. You can see those move in and kind of die down as they get more closer out of the panhandles there into Oklahoma, more central Oklahoma. You can see we do have some thunderstorms over here in eastern portions of the United States, and we have some general scattered thunderstorms and showers in western and northwestern parts of the United States. And that's as far as this model goes. I think this is all we're going to be looking at today. So I do thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Goodbye.